Welcome everybody to my very first unboxing video of the channel. Today we are going to do a quick unboxing of the Starlink and then do a speed comparison. All the specs for the Starlink are in the description below. Let's open the box to see what's inside. Presentation on the box is basic, but it looks decent. Inside the box, we got the stand for the Starlink that goes onto the roof of your home or RV. The star of the show, the Starlink. See what I did there? A little guide on how to set it up. Starlink stickers. The router. A reminder that the router has two connections. Another router is required if you're going to use the Starlink wired or be more advanced. The power cable. A cable that links the router to the Starlink. And another manual, if I can position it correctly. Something else hiding underneath? Nope, that's it. Now for the speed comparison.
24 hours later.
24 hours later, the Starlink has stabilized to get better results. Sorry about the cursor in the way. Download speed from the old internet is not that great, and the same goes for the upload. Download speeds from Starlink, however, have improved significantly, nearly 74 megabits per second. Upload speed got a small decrease to 8.9 megabits per second. I don't know why. That's gonna wrap up the Starlink unboxing video. I'll see you in the next one.